We really want to appreciate this innovative way of reaching people who are in a very remote area. This will really help the pastor to go beyond his locality, and this is the proper tool to help many other pastors who are in the bush without electricity.
We thank God that we have received it. The system now helping me to bring people together. So now it gives me a chance to take and it gives me a chance to preach to them.
Will help him to have a relationship with the people he's serving, people who walk 15 kilometers to get their phones charged, their small phones charged. But now the distance is reduced, and they will have to walk a short distance. The pastor will build relationship with them, and as they are charging their phones, they will also be getting to hear the gospel, because there is a pot where the audio Bibles are being played. It shows that the pastor is giving them some solution, some help, some holistic kind of approach of ministry. And this gives pastor the dignity that he's somebody who is concerned with the people he's serving. He's somebody who can offer solutions for their daily living in the place. And even because the people that he's serving are nomads, they are people who love stories in the evening. And now that there is light around his house, people can come for extended fellowships in pastor's house. And they can use this public address system to sing, because the people love singing, and they can listen the Christian songs in their own language. And this will create more opportunities for the pastor to reach more people.